Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to check seatbelt's manufacturer date. To check the seatbelt manufacturer date, take a look, for example, at the rear seatbelt. Right here at the bottom of it, we've got this information part. Manufacturer date is located right here. Thanks to the manufacturer date, we can check if, for example, the car wasn't in a crash and the seatbelts were replaced. In this case, the seatbelt manufacturer date is from 2025. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.